Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete a savings goal in Digit. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. First, open the Digit app and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, go to your savings goals section where you can find all your goals. Next, find the specific goal that you want to delete and tap on it to open the details. Next, you're going to look for the delete goal option. You usually find that at the bottom or in the settings menu. Tap delete and confirm when prompted. This will remove the goal and any allocated funds will return to your main Digit balance or your bank account, depending of course on your settings. Deleting a goal is a quick way to keep your savings organized if your plans change or you no longer need that particular goal. Remember, once deleted, the goal and its progress are gone, so double check before confirming. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Digit tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.